That's recording now.
Okay.
Shit, she didn't tell me how long I'm gonna keep the gauze in my mouth.
She said keep bite down for 30 minutes. That's what she told me.
Yeah.
So probably by the time we get home, we can take it out.
How long was I in there?
Quite a while. Probably like a little bit over an hour, I think.
In the room?
Yeah, because when I was in there, you had gone in and I had asked how long you were already in there, and she said about 45 minutes. And then I waited definitely longer than 15, so.
Oh my god.
Did it feel like that long?
No.
Oh.
Felt like as soon as she put the sedative in, 5 minutes later they were saying, alright, you're done, we're gonna set you up now. So this is a cager vlog. I'm gonna have to subtitle the whole thing. And this is Loon Man's idea. I got your comment right before I left to go to the dentist office to get my wisdom teeth out. And I'll put a link up right there, so you can click on that and see me talking about having this wisdom teeth surgery done. And have a laugh at that, and then continue to watch this. Come back and watch this. We're in my truck. My wife is driving, and we're on our way back to my house so that I can lay down and basically stay stoned the rest of the day. Yes, the way I'm talking with gauze and ice packs all over my face is hilarious. Just hilarious. I feel like every time I bring up a term like cager, you should explain it. And you know, most of you guys that ride bikes understand what I'm talking about. We ride motorcycles, we're exposed to the great wide open spaces around us, and we're surrounded by cagers, people who are caged in their cars and feel invincible driving around. And that's what we're doing now. We're driving in my cage. So, there you go. My first cager vlog. Cager vlog. Cager vlog. It's not that funny, Gab. I'm playing it up like I told you. It's like you picked me up when I was stupid liquored at a bar downtown, and you drive me home now. No difference.
Still funny.
Essentially drunk. Yeah, I don't see what the big deal is. Just talking about basically me acting like a complete nutter, but really it's like I'm stoned.
I think maybe it affects some people differently.
Yeah.
You just gotta be prepared for that.
Yeah.
Oh no.
The double vision is horrible.
Oh no. Are you feeling tired at all?
No. No, this is really bad double vision.
I'm just wondering if it's any similarity from that time that you had to drive me home when I was all doped up.
So maybe this is a good time to introduce Mrs. Hamshanks. She's driving, because I'm basically stoned and drunk. Say hi, Mrs. Hamshanks.
Hello.
What should we talk about on the way home?
I don't know.
Okay, it's alright, say whatever you want. I'll just edit it out later if you want me to.
See if we observe something funny or noteworthy.
Oh, I'm sure this whole thing is outrageous because I can't even talk.
I know, half the things you're saying, I don't even know what you're saying.
I'll have to subtitle the whole vlog.
If you can remember what you said, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe I'll just put it up and, and see what happens. I guess I should make a point. There's only a couple months of the riding season left. And I'm going to do my best to compile footage so that I can keep releasing videos over the winter. But more likely you'll get cage vlogs. And I might even figure out a way to get my hands on a four-wheeler. And I can do my moto vlogs that way. When it's too cold or snowy to be on two wheels. We'll see.
Or skiing or snowboarding like you did last time.
Yes, or skiing or snowboarding. We can do that too because actually for that matter I can put up some footage from last year. And it's worth nothing but a laugh because I look like a complete idiot on skis. I think 14 videos online before anybody even knew that there was a Mrs. Hamshanks.
Yeah.
And I might not even put that on. I like to keep it mysterious.